Hello and welcome to the presentation on accounting course for HR managers. It's my pleasure to share with you the course outline and the course structure, the course evaluation with you. The expectation generally from an HR manager is that he or she is expected to not only understand the legal aspects of human resource management, but also understand the financial and accounting implications of both strategic and tactical decisions affecting the human resources. Some of the good HR managers are also very good finance and accounting managers, and this course aims to meet such needs. The learning outcomes of this course, it's expected that by the end of this course, the student is expected to understand the measurement and reporting of managerial compensation and incentives, computation of salary as an income for the employees, computation of salary as an allowable expense for the employer, with the salary in the hands of the employee is an income and salary in the hands of the company or the employer is an expense. But the process of determination of expense and income are fully governed by the Income Tax Act, and this course makes an effort to explain the relevant provisions of Income Tax Act. Sometime, one of the important aspects of an HR manager is to decide about the managerial compensation. There are several ways and the models of determination of managerial compensation which we will examine during the course, but we'll also understand with more details the economic value added as a means to design the managerial compensation. We'll also try to get into the various models of human resource accounting. The human resources are conspicuous by their absence in the balance sheet. But if at all, if it had to be shown in the balance sheet, how and the process of determining the value will be part of the course. Similarly, the measurement and reporting of intangible assets, other intangible assets will also be covered during the course. With these objectives, of 6 or 7 objectives, are expected to be achieved over 20 sessions. The sessions are planned keeping in mind our normal evaluation package. So, along with the evaluations as we move along, the course will move in the following manner. This shows the session numbers. We'll try to understand how the human resources are reported on the financial statements for first few sessions. Examine the existing reporting practices. Then we'll try to get into the legal and accounting aspects of managerial remuneration. We'll spend a lot of time on performance-based incentive mechanisms with a stress on economic value added. How is employee stock option measured and reported, and what is the implications of that on the performance-based incentives will also be discussed. We'll spend one session on the concepts of the sweat equity, its measurement and reporting. As mentioned in the objectives, we'll spend 3 sessions on the various facets of salaries. After the midterm, we'll get into human resource accounting, different models, understand the pension related accounting standards, and how is this pension and other superannuation benefits are shown on the financial statements will be discussed in or around session 15. Once we understand the pension, we'll also get into the voluntary retirement schemes, and during these sessions we'll present some of the experiments and the designs that we have created for some of the local, state level public enterprises, how the voluntary retirement scheme has been implemented in some of the public enterprises of the state. Intangibles are very difficult to measure, but there are certain accounting standards which gives you guideline for reporting and measurement. We'll touch upon those in the later part of our class. At the fag end of the class, we'll try to get into some case discussions which you are required to present based on the annual reports of various companies. The evaluation package is a continuous evaluation which consists of quizzes which will be offline and online, which will be individual and the group, and there will be a term paper preparation, midterm and the end term examinations of the with respective values. There is no specific book for this course. However, we'll use the Income Tax Act, the relevant provisions of the Companies Act, various articles with a focus on the common and popular HBR articles. During this period, there will be a course page that we'll be creating, which will become our point of interaction, where all the deliberations in the class will be uploaded onto this course page. So this course page will be the point of interaction between you and I. I hope this presentation has given you some idea about the course design, the course structure, the delivery mechanism. However, I am open for any questions. If you have, please send them to my email, which is given at the beginning of this presentation, which is here, ramana@ximb.ac.in. Or you may also call me to understand, to get some more information about this course. Thank you very much and good luck.